Dr. Barrister Aisha Ochuwa is a lawyer, author, tutor, and certified management consultant. She is the Group Managing Director of Aisha Ochuwa Group Limited. In her role, she oversees independent companies spanning from diverse sectors such as business construction and advancement, luxury jewelry production and distribution, and skill acquisition academies. She is a multi-award-winning entrepreneur and business consultant and has been recognized nationally and internationally by high-ranking institutions such as STREP Africa and CEO Network Africa. Dr. Aisha Ochuwa was recently welcomed into the Forbes Africa community and granted an honorary doctorate degree by the European American University for her exceptional performance in business administration. She was also inducted as a Fellow of the Institute of Chartered Administrators and Researchers of Nigeria and a Fellow of the Institute of Management Consultant, having been granted the status of a Certified Management Consultant. In 2022, she sponsored 125 students for the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board exams. Due to her numerous contributions in the Nigerian educational system, she was decorated as the matron of the National Association of Nigerian Students, Lagos Chapter,